Queen and I are out for our daily morning stroll.
It's hot.
And it's hot. Instead of early morning,
It's almost noon.
yeah, it's almost noon. Well, hey there. Here we are. Back in this mess. Let's go cut some trail. I started out cutting this trail that I needed to cut. And rather than trying to cut through that gnarly bottom where initially I thought that would be the best way to go, I found a little alternate route. And in taking the time to do just a little looking around, exploring, it looks like I saved myself a lot of work with that brush axe. Some of this is pretty thick for walking through. If you take your time and pick which way you go, especially look for the way that the deer travel, you can find some pretty nice trails, or the makings of some pretty nice trails. And now, I don't know if the GoPro is picking it up, but I'm only about maybe 100 feet, 120 feet from the clear cut that I've been working my way to, and it's not been really laborious at all. The trail is a lot longer than I initially thought it would be, simply because I'm not traveling in a straight line, but I'm picking out my way as I go. One of the important things to do is to create a mental map of your surroundings and pay attention to landmarks. That's an old railroad tie that was placed here who knows how long ago. At one time there was a barbed wire fence, and that was a corner post for the property. Well, we got that little job done. It wasn't so bad. One of the things that getting this job done did was that it opened up quite a bit of area for me to explore and use to harvest natural resources. Where I'm at right here, sorry about the wind, I'm sure that's making a mess. But where I'm at right here is right on the edge of a wet area, and it's a transitional zone, and it's the kind of area that the chanterelle mushrooms really like. It's not warm enough yet to pick chanterelles, but it's good to know that I've got this area access to it now. Plus, by getting back there to that clear cut, if I need to hunt for meat, or if I want to hunt for meat, either one of those reasons, it's a beautiful area. I walked around a little bit and found some deer tracks, and I saw a nice rub the other day. Folks, I want to I want to thank you for coming along with me. Appreciate you watching these videos. I appreciate all your encouragement. I hope that you're finding something encouraging in the videos, and maybe even a little challenging too. We've got a wonderful world that we live in, and I know it might be hard to get out and go for walks in public areas right now because of the COVID thing and all of their telling people to stay indoors and to practice that social distancing thing. But as best you can, get out, go for a little walk. If all you can do is sit in your backyard and listen to the squirrels and the birds bark and chatter and chirp and cheep, get outdoors, soak up a little sunshine, listen to the wind in the trees. It'll do you good. Folks, I'm gonna head back to the cabin now. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna get me a shower, make sure I don't have any chiggers or ticks on me after being out here. And after I've gotten that shower, I'm gonna make a little pone of cornbread to go with those leftover ham hocks and beans that we cooked yesterday on the open fire. I'll see you on the next one.